Hope with the Arkansas Historic Preservation Program. The department is very interested in preserving the state's historic cemeteries, and one particular thing that we like to teach about is cleaning historic gravestones in the proper manner. They are very fragile, and there are a lot of ways that you can destroy a gravestone using inappropriate materials. So today I'm just going to go over the proper tools, the proper cleaning material, and the proper techniques for removing materials from your gravestone. These are just some examples of tools that we use in our workshops and out in the field when we are teaching people how to clean their gravestones. If you're using a scrub brush, make sure that you don't get one that's metal or very hard plastic because you can do damage to your gravestone. This one just has a nice soft material for the bristles and soft wood on the sides. This one's plastic, but it has soft bristles to it. It's not like a wire brush. This is just another example of a soft brush. If you have a wider surface that you have to clean, this would be a good one because it can cover a lot of surface area. Then you have smaller ones if you want to get into some areas on the gravestone, perhaps some decorative areas, coving, that need a smaller brush. I'm wearing glasses, so I don't need goggles. I don't normally wear them, but you can also use goggles because you get a lot of spray back when you're cleaning gravestones just to keep stuff out of your eyes. The material that we use does not require that you have gloves because it's safe for humans, it's safe for pets, it's safe for other growth around your gravestone. But if you're interested in wearing gloves, you can wear rubber gloves, or you can just wear garden gloves like these. These scrapers are good for removing lichen from the surface of your gravestone. You can get wide ones like these, or if you have a smaller area that you want to work on, you can get one of these pliable tools here. Just any Home Depot, Lowe's store, something like that. You can just get these for cleaning your gravestone. The Arkansas Historic Preservation Program uses the product D2. It's the letter D/2 on our gravestones, in our workshops, and in any recommendations that we give to constituents. D2 is a biocide, which means that it works on mold, mildew, algae, lichen. It will not work on paint, it will not work on oils or anything else that's not natural that's absorbed into your gravestone. We've started out with this stone, wetting it down a little bit because it has very heavy growth of lichen on the front of it. It'll be less messy if we scrape the lichen off first before we use the D2. If you want to wear gloves or glasses while you're doing this, it'll keep some of the spray off of you if you're allergic to that kind of thing. But you can very gently use your scraper and knock it off the surface. You don't have to dig in with the tool. You just very gently scrape it off. It's easier to get off if it's wet. Once you feel like you've gotten off as much as you can, then you can take your D2 and spray it on the surface. Be sure to get all of the surface area, but you don't have to soak it down, just give it a good covering. The recommendation is that you give it a dwell time of about 10 to 15 minutes. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to go ahead and start on the scrubbing. And by scrubbing, I mean very gently moving in a circular motion with your soft brush. Make sure you get all your surface area. A large brush on this one because there's a large surface area to cover. If you have a smaller stone, you can use a smaller brush, or if you have areas that are carved out, you can use a toothbrush. We've given it a good scrub on the fret. So then you take your water. You don't want to use a garden hose with a high PSI on it, because on marble stones or limestone you can dislodge crystals. It can be very damaging to your stone. So we're just using a pump-up sprayer from the hardware store. Make sure it's clean. Doesn't have anything in it previously. So you want to be sure to do the whole stone. You can see that the base also has lichen on it. Just to make sure that the whole stone is clean, it's all white, it's continuous all the way around the stone. It'll look a lot better than having a nice clean top to it and then a dirty base on the bottom. Just be thorough with it.